Hello lovelies, I have some exciting new inks for you today to share with you. And I start right away with FYI, our own brand. We launched a pure organic plum kernel oil. It is like Le Prunier. We also sell this at Amazingly, but it's sold out after Christy Teigen mentioned it in her Insta stories about her routine. But FYI plum kernel is not sold out, and it's also cheaper. We use French plums, the best of the best. So it's made in Europe. Organic plum kernel oil is for every skin type, especially the ones that need some rebalancing. It has a super high profile of fatty acids, omega 6 and 9, provitamin A and E, and it doesn't leave a greasy film at all. It absorbs quickly and it smells. Oh, you want to eat it. I mix it in with the next launch of FYI when I need a little bit more moisture, and that is a real powerhouse, the ACE serum or the ACE serum with bakuchiol. What is bakuchiol? Why do I like this? Because it's a plant-derived alternative to retinol, and retinol, as you know, is very good against the first signs of getting a little bit older, wrinkles. And it has no downsides. Retinol or vitamin A is not for everybody. It can be very drying, for instance, and with bakuchiol you don't have this problem at all. And we put this 1% into sugarcane-based squalane, which is ethically sourced and which is so cool. I mean, everybody knows I'm always raving about squalane already. And we also added vitamin C and E, liposomal based. What does that mean? Yeah, I don't want to be too technical, but it means these are both vitamins, different than the normal vitamin C you see in a lot of products, that can penetrate deeper into your skin. Maybe you know your skin has different layers, and this vitamin C penetrates deeper in order to help you even out your skin tone and heal it better and soothe it. Together they are really, really good fighting free radicals. So yeah, a little bomb I would say, or you can say you ace it with this serum, and also on a very good price level. Armis Beauty launched this beautiful color, Lost Angel. Lost Angel we already had in pressed version, and now it's in this beautiful cream, beautiful rose, old rose. So for those who prefer cream products over the powder ones, you can now buy the creamed version. And then next to that, they launched really cute Glow Quad. 4 products in there, 3 lip to cheeks, Lost Angel, Beloved and Spell, and a Rose Luminizer, Champagne Rosé Luminizer. We have the red one, Beloved, the nude one, Spell, the new cream version of the powdered version, Lost Angel, and we have the Rosé Champagne Highlighter. So those are the 4 new inks at Amazingly I wanted to show you here on the video. We have a lot more new products, but those were the ones I thought were nice to mention. If you have any questions, if you have any wish, or would like to see a specific theme or video, then drop down in the comments. And thank you so much for watching, and stay healthy. Bye bye.